Welcome, kids. Today, we're in a magical fruit garden where some special fruits can talk. Did you know that fruits are super important for your health? They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help you grow strong, stay active, and keep your tummy happy. Eating a variety of colorful fruits every day makes sure your body gets everything it needs to stay healthy. And guess what? Fruits are also really tasty. So, let's meet some fruity friends who are excited to tell you all about themselves. Look at this shiny red apple.
Hi there, kids. I'm an apple, crunchy, juicy, and oh so sweet. I grow on apple trees and orchards, and you can find me in many parts of the world. I'm usually ready to be picked in the fall, when the weather turns cooler. But you can find me in stores all year round because people love to eat me so much. Did you know I'm packed with fiber to keep your tummy happy and vitamin C to help your body fight off colds? I also have natural sugars that give you energy to run and play. You can enjoy me fresh, sliced in a salad, or even baked into a pie. There are so many kinds of me, from red and green to yellow, each with a unique taste. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, don't forget to snack on a sweet, crunchy apple for a healthy treat.
And here's a banana. Bananas are super for energy. If you need a quick boost to run and play, grab a banana.
Hey there! I'm Benny Banana. I'm yellow and very sweet. Have you tried pancakes with bananas yet? I am full of potassium, which helps you jump high and play all day. Potassium is super important for your muscles and helps keep your heart happy too. I also have vitamin B6, which helps your brain work better. Feeling tired? Eat me for a burst of energy. I'm nature's perfect snack, easy to peel and delicious to eat. You can meet all year in your corner shop or on the market.
Next up is the zesty orange. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which helps keep colds away and makes your skin glow.
Hiya, I'm Olivia Orange. I'm sweet, tangy, and I help you stay strong and healthy. I'm full of vitamin C, which helps your body fight germs and keeps your skin shiny. Plus, I have fiber to help your tummy. And did you know my juice is super refreshing? I need a lot of sunshine to taste this fantastic. My sweetness is my nature. Squeeze me into a glass for a yummy drink that keeps you active and happy.
Hi, friends! I'm a strawberry, small, red, and super sweet. I grow close to the ground on strawberry plants, and I love the sunshine. You can find me in gardens and farms, especially in spring and early summer when I'm ripe and ready to pick. I'm not just tasty, I'm really good for you too. I'm full of vitamin C, which helps your body stay strong and healthy. I also have fiber to keep your tummy happy and antioxidants to protect you from getting sick. You can enjoy me fresh, mix me into a salad, blend me into a smoothie, or make delicious strawberry juice. I'm also perfect for pies and jams. Yum! So whenever you see a bright red strawberry, don't forget to grab one and enjoy its juicy, sweet flavor.
Strawberries. They're sweet, red, and full of vitamin C too. They also help make our brains super smart. Wow, look at this big watermelon. Watermelons are super juicy and full of water, which keeps us cool and hydrated on hot days.
Hi, I'm Wally Watermelon. I'm refreshing and fun to eat. Stay cool with me. I have lots of water to keep you hydrated and help your body stay cool in the sun. I also have vitamins A and C, which keep your skin and eyes healthy. On a hot day, I'm the perfect treat to keep you cool and smiling.
Now here's a fuzzy sweet peach. Peaches are full of vitamins A and C, which are great for your skin and eyes.
Hi there, I'm Penny Peach. I'm soft, juicy, and oh so sweet. I help keep your skin smooth and your eyes bright. Eating me is like giving your body a big, healthy hug. I also have fiber to help your tummy and lots of water to keep you hydrated. Plus, I'm full of antioxidants, which protect your body from getting sick. You can eat me fresh, add me to your cereal, or even enjoy me in a smoothie. There is plenty of ways to eat me. Jam and juice are delicious. Have you heard about Cobbler Peach? This pie got famous thanks to me.
Look at this spiky fruit. It's a pineapple. Pineapples are full of vitamin C and enzymes that help your tummy digest food.
Hey everyone, I'm Percy Pineapple. I'm sweet and tangy, and I help you stay healthy by keeping your tummy happy. Plus, I have bromelain, an enzyme that helps digest food and keeps your tummy feeling great. I'm also full of vitamin C to help your body fight off colds. You can enjoy me fresh, in a juice, or even as a fun topping on pizza. Yum! I grow in hot places, but you can also come and grab me from your nearest grocery store.
There are some tiny blueberries. Don't let their size fool you. They are packed with antioxidants.
Hi, we're the Berry Bunch. We may be small, but we're mighty. We grow in forest or in the garden in small plants. We have antioxidants that help protect your body from getting sick. Plus, we're full of vitamins like C and K to keep your immune system strong and your bones healthy. Eat us in cereal, yogurt, or just by the handful. We're a tasty snack that helps your brain stay smart and your body stay healthy. We are sure you can also see us in your grandma pantry, in a jam jar. That's right, that blue jar.
Look at these bright yellow lemons. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, and that makes them incredibly healthy. And they're great for adding a tangy flavor to your food and drinks.
Hi there, I'm Lucy Lemon. I might be a little sour, but I'm full of goodness. I'm loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds and keeps your skin glowing. I also have antioxidants that protect your body from damage and keep your immune system strong. You can squeeze my juice into water for a refreshing drink or add me to your favorite dishes to make them tastier. Ever tried lemonade on a hot day? It's the best way to cool down. Plus, my zest can be used in baking to give cakes and cookies a tangy twist. So, don't let my sourness fool you. I'm one of the healthiest fruits around.
Hello, kids! I'm a bunch of juicy grapes, and I'm here to tell you why I'm so great. Did you know I'm full of vitamin C and K? I help keep your immune system strong and your bones healthy. I also protect your body from getting sick. Plus, I give you lots of energy because I have natural sugars. You can enjoy me fresh, dried as raisins, or even in a yummy smoothie. Remember, eating grapes is a tasty way to stay healthy. I'm super sweet and juicy. I'm great in salads, as a snack, or as juice as well. I can be green, red, or dark purple. I grow in vineyards in full sun. The sun makes me so delicious.
Hi there, everyone. I'm a pear Peter, sweet and delicious. I'm a great source of fiber, which helps your tummy feel happy and keeps everything moving smoothly. I also have vitamin C, which helps your body heal cuts and bruises. And guess what? I'm full of water, so I keep you hydrated. You can munch on me fresh, slice me into a salad, or bake me into a yummy dessert. I am fantastic in jams too. Eating pears helps you stay healthy and strong. So next time you see a pear, give it a big smile before you take a bite. I grow in garden orchards on a tree. When I am ripe, I fall down, and that's how you know when to eat me when I am the sweetest.
Wasn't that fun? Apples, bananas, oranges, strawberries, watermelons, peaches, pineapples, blueberries, grapes, pears, and lemons. They're all tasty and healthy. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite fruit? Don't forget to eat your fruits every day. Eat fruits, stay healthy, and keep smiling. They help you grow, give you energy, and keep you feeling great. Don't forget to wash them before eating. See you next time, friends. Bye.